Run! Woo!
Wait, you only did 2, right?
That's in the third. If anything, pop on your head, right? Use your cigar to touch it.
It's lit. What are you doing?
No, that's an amber in the grass.
Okay.
Yeah, Tim, don't get blown up right before your wedding.
Please don't.
Gotta keep your wedding face. Woo!
And both your arms.
And your wedding arm.
Everything.
Your wedding bod.